How to use our Walkie Talkie. Here on the right side is a power button. You hold it for a long time, it'll turn off. Hold it for a long time, it'll turn back on. You press that just once short, and now you can change the channels, either up or down. I want to let you know that housekeeping is channel 8 and emergency is channel 3. Press that again to get it out of that mode. If you press this button over here once quickly, it'll start scanning for anything, activity that's going on in these channels. Press it again to end it. If you press this and then again, you go to Vox. Vox is now off. You want always Vox off. Oops. You always want Vox off. Vox is voice activated communication. So if you do this and you accidentally hit it and then you press arrow up, so you know Vox is on. And if like that, now Vox is on display, and then whenever you're talking, it'll be transmitting. Look at it quickly. And that to off. So we were determined that we wanted a channel at volume level 3, and you can press the arrow up or down without pressing the power button, and that'll change the volume levels. So that's basically 0, and that is 3. So once you have it where you need to have it, or where you want to have it, is best to press this lock button here and hold it for a length of time, and it'll now go into lock. And what happens is you can press anything you want here and you can't change the settings, which is kind of good, because when you put it in your pocket, your buttons will press by accident, changing settings, and then you won't have any communication. And that is all there is to know about this walkie-talkie.